In this video, you'll learn how to find out what's taking up space on your Ubuntu system. Just follow along with your mouse. Start by opening the Activities menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Disk Usage Analyzer. If it's already installed, you'll see the app with a pie chart icon. Click it to open. If you don't see the Disk Usage Analyzer, open the Ubuntu software app, search for Disk Usage Analyzer, and click Install. Once it's installed, open it from the Activities menu. When the app starts, choose the main disk you want to scan. This is usually labeled as File System. Click it. The app will take a few seconds to scan your disk and then show a visual layout of your storage. You'll see a list of folders with their sizes along with a chart on the side. The biggest folders will be at the top. Click on a folder to dig deeper and see what's using the most space inside. Look for common folders like Downloads, Videos, or Trash. These often have large files. If you see files or folders you no longer need, open your File Manager, go to that folder, and right-click the item. Choose Move to Trash. Once you're done cleaning, right-click on the trash icon in the sidebar and click Empty Trash to free up the space. You can also remove old applications. Open the Ubuntu software app again. Click on the Installed tab. Scroll through the list. If you see apps you don't use anymore, click Remove next to them. To clear your browser cache, open your web browser. Go to Settings or Preferences, then look for Privacy or History. There should be an option to clear cached data. This helps free up space that websites use. As a final step, restart your computer. This ensures everything updates and any temporary files are removed. That's how you can check what's filling up your Ubuntu disk and clean it up. Thanks for watching.